Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth icon not showing in Taskbar Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, let's just go to our taskbar, and as you can see we don't have the Bluetooth icon right over here. So we need to get back the Bluetooth icon. So how we do that? It's very simple. For that you need to go to the start, then click on the settings. Alright, from the settings, you need to go to the Bluetooth and devices. And from here, then go to the devices option right over here. Click on that. Then scroll it down and you will find an option called more Bluetooth settings. Go to that. And from here, you need to select the show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Select this option and click on the apply. Then hit on OK. Alright, let's go to our taskbar, and as you can see we got the Bluetooth devices option right over here. So I have shown you how to fix Bluetooth icon missing on Windows 11 taskbar. It's very simple. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.